Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Again, gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Barda compilation. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this video. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Me time ngayon si Barbie and the family niya, no? Ganon din si Ginoo kasi busy si Ginoo sa mga promo. Pero wala akong may nababasang promo talaga from his Instagram. Ano kaya nangyayari kay Ginoo natin? Bakit may ganon? Ay, oh. Best in ano talaga siya? Best in, what do you call this? Me time. Me time kung me time kung me time. Right? I am what I am. Okay. Okay. What's next? Ay, wait lang. Is this an edited video? Edited ba to? Okay.
Like forever.
Like forever.
I've been here since Maria Clara era. I just had to break down this pic from the 38th PMPC Star Award.
Okay. Pakinggan natin yung chika ni Ate Girl.
Hailed Power Tandem of the Year. I already posted this on my X account, and y'all
what?
were losing it in the replies.
Mm.
So let's dive into this adorable moment
Sige
and
nga.
analyze how their body language is giving
Okay,
us
I love
all the
this. Go.
killing vibes. Let's go. Okay. So Barbie and
Akala ko ba
David are
let's go?
sitting side by
Tapos okay.
side on these super plush red seats at the PMPC Star Awards.
Exactly.
Looking like the ultimate power couple.
Okay.
Sorry. I mean,
Power tandem.
Barbie's in this gorg
Okay
pastel
yung power
pink dress,
couple.
serving soft girl energy, while David's in a sleek black suit, looking like
Yes.
he just stepped out of a K-drama.
Yes, I love
And
that.
then there's this adorable kiddo in a
Sino
bow
tong
tie sitting with them.
bagets?
But let's focus on our Barda,
Okay.
because the way they're vibing together is making my
It's
heart
very big
do
giving. Ganon.
cartwheels. First of all, let's talk about how close they're sitting. Like, there's literally no space between them.
Exactly.
Their shoulders are basically touching, and I'm like, y'all, personal space.
Y'all,
who?
I love this.
It's giving
Y'all,
I'm so comfy with you energy, and I'm here for it.
I love it.
Barbie's
I
got
love
her
it.
hands resting on her
I
lap,
love this.
but the way
Who
her
is
body is
this? I
slightly
love
turned toward
Scarlett.
David, that's a total sign she's like so at ease with him.
Exactly.
She's not even trying to
She's
hide
at
it.
peace.
She's just naturally gravitating
She's
toward
at
her
peace
favorite
for today's
person in
video.
the room,
Ganon.
and I'm screaming. Now let's zoom in on David.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this man.
Oh my gosh, this man.
He's got his arm resting on the back of the seat, and it's like so close to Barbie's shoulder.
Shoulder.
I know, he's not fully wrapping his arm around
Oo,
her.
yeah. Yun
But the way
sasabihin
he's
ko.
positioned,
Oo nga,
it's
no?
giving protective king energy. Like,
Pa.
he's ready to pull her in for a side hug any second. Also, his
I love
body is angled toward Barbie too. And that's a major green flag in body language land. It means he's totally focused on her, even in a room full of people. Ugh, my heart. And can we talk about their faces
I
for
love
a sec?
Scarlett.
Barbie's got this soft, glowing smile while she's looking
Analyzing
at the
their body
camera.
language pala
And
ito.
David's doing that classic half-smirk thing he does that makes us all melt. But here's the tea. Though they're both looking in different directions, you can just feel the connection between them.
Actually true.
It's like they don't even need to look at each other to know the other's there. They're just that in sync.
Truly.
I'm telling you, this is the kind of chemistry that's been giving us life since Maria Clara at Ibarra.
Ibarra.
So,
In fairness, ang ganda ng
yeah, this
explanation
pic
niya.
from the PMPC Awards night is
Scarlett,
proof that
damihan mo pa
Barda
to.
is the ultimate tandem on and off screen.
Screen.
The way
Yan din yung sinasabi ko na kahit on and off screen talaga, the way they look at each other, the way they lean, lalo na si Barbie kung mag-lean kay Barbie. Lalo na si Barbie kung mag-lean kay David. And si David naman, the way he looks at Barbie's eye, Barbie's faces, kung gano'n siya ka-attentive. Yan yung chinichika ko. Thank you for this, Scarlett.
they're so comfy, so in tune, and just so close to each
So
other.
insurance.
It's making my shipper heart explode. I've been
I love Scarlett ah. Ay, ano to? Bibili naman ng perfume. Bakit?
Go.
Ay, bago to ah. Ay, hoy! Ano daw? Na-miss mo ko ha?
Go. Hello.
Ano daw? Ay, hina-hinaan for the days. Bakit? Yan yung sinasabi ko na parang at peace. They are at peace to each one another. Bakit ganun sila, ma'am? Ay, bongga naman pala. Oh, hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya ang ginoo natin for today's video. Ay, ano to?
David sa PMPC, nabanggit di ba ni Barbie sa speech niya na parang
Ayan.
parang dinescribe niya as unexpected blessing ka daw. Ano yung
Yes.
yung reaction mo? Ano na feel mo nung sinabi yun ni Barbie?
Natouch ako.
Living with her the past.
Ang gwapo talaga ni Ginoo. Pero naman, napaka-powerful naman kasi talaga ng message ni Barbie. Actually, to be honest with you, napaka-powerful yung sasabihin mo na parang yung unexpected na nangyari sa buhay mo is si David. In all aspect, pwede mo siyang i-analyze in all aspect, not just in work, kundi kahit in personal life. Actually, kasama na yung personal life doon ni Barbie. Kasama na talaga doon sa sinabi niya. Pero hindi lang natin ma-distinguish kung kasama pa ang love life or what. Siyempre, kasama yun. Charis!
Of mine. Just really happy for her growth as an actress, as an individual. To see her now, working out, good job.
Yes.
She's been going to cafes, reading books. Just means she is focused on herself, which is really good. Right? Siyempre kapag tayo kaka-break na natin, yun naman talaga yung dapat natin gawin. So I'm really happy for her.
Pero may plans na ba na parang, nagkaya ano ba na mag-jog? Ay, let's jog together. Parang workout. Parang.
Inayan nila ako sa Nuvali.
Okay, niyaya naman pala sa Nuvali. Ay, eto ha. Ano ginagawa? Feel na feel ni David. Feel na feel ni David. Bakit kung dumikit ang ilong ni David or ang kanyang mukha sa ulo ni Barbie, nakapikit talaga siya din. Ano? Feel niya talaga. Ay, ano to? Dito ba si David? Ay, last Sunday. Offer. Ay. Ang gwapo ni David dito. Bago ba to? Ang gwapo ni David. Kamukha yung kapatid niya. Ang gwapo. Cutie. Ayan. Dito talaga tayo sa in love. Single eh. Single bat. He's in love. Single pero in love. Parang si ano talaga, no? Parang si Barbie yung mom niya. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda ng compilation for today's video. Ganyan dapat, di ba? Makikita ang transition. Pero kasi marami nang mahihinang nilalang na sa bar na, alam mo yung wala ng ayuda, magsisibabaan na talaga agad-agad sa ating ship for today's video. Di ba? Ganyan dapat. Di ba? I love Irish. Gustong-gusto ko yung ginawa mo Irish for today's video. Ay, sino mo yung itsura? Ayop ka, David. Totoo lang. Anyways, okay, there you go guys. Ito sa my for today's video. Of course, gagawa pa tayo ng isa pa. Hindi pwedeng ganyan lang. Bye!